Alright, just want to do a quick unboxing of this Fiji Flow I got from Bulk Reef Supply. This thing does about 550 gallons per hour. 550 DC, 2.6 inches by 4 inches by 4.6 inches. And there's the controller for you. Auto shut off, safety, silent, safe voltage, simple digital control, saltwater or freshwater. Alright, let's give her an open. Top is the controller with a 3M tag. Looks like we've got a screen for probably the front end or the bottom. Now this is more the screen type I was looking for. That's going to go on the intake. Probably more adapters. Let's see what else we got. Some feet, suction feet, always handy. And let's see, we got this guy, probably for the controller. That's going to plug into the controller. The controller is going to plug then into the pump. It's a nice looking pump. It's a little nicer than my IM. Nice fat intake. Inner diameter is great too. Alright, there's that guy. Let's go ahead and open the controller up. Wow, that is a thick 3M. There is something in between all of that. O-rings, which I'm assuming go here, and probably one there. Yep, matter of fact, there is a little spacing for that one. There's like a little ring around the edge there. Let's see if we can't just fit that in there real quick. Nice. I believe there's one on the top too. Little groove. Awesome. And I will be using a couple of different adapters. We're gonna put some feet on. Ooh, what are those little guys? Oh, those little, just little rubber stoppers, so you can just put it on the bottom. I like that, actually. I will probably use the stoppers. I just want to take a look at the controller, see how it connects to the actual pump. 3-prong, awesome, and that definitely connects. All right, let's check out the filters and the adapter.